The 2022 Lincoln Aviator has optional park assist, and there are some pretty cool key fob tricks that are available as well. Steve here, Cars with Steve, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the park assist system and what some cool key fob tricks are as well. So let's dive into it and get right to it. Alright folks, so using the park assist system inside of the Aviator is actually a very straightforward process. So we're going to start off with the perpendicular park assist first. So literally what we're going to do first and foremost, we're going to hit the little P button there, and that's going to give us a screen that's asking, do we want to navigate to parking or do we want active park assist? So we're just going to hit park assist there, and when we do, we've got a few different settings. So we've got either parallel parking, we've got perpendicular park, or parallel park out. So we're literally just going to hit the perpendicular park, and we can either go left or right on our stick. It's going to default to the right all the time, but we can get it to go one way or the other. And literally all we're going to do is just follow the directions on the screen. So we're just going to start driving forward, and then the vehicle is going to let us know when it's found a spot. Okay, spot's been found. So it wants us to stop. We're literally just going to release the steering wheel, and we're going to shift into reverse, or into neutral, I should say. So we're literally just going to take our hands off the wheel, dropping down, we're just going to shift it into neutral. And once we do, it's saying that we need to release the brake. So all you're going to do is just take your foot off the brake there, and as you can see, we're off, and we're just going to hit that P button. So we're just going to press and hold it the whole time. So pressing and holding, and watch this. So as you can see there, we've got a little countdown timer going. It's literally doing everything. I'm holding a GoPro in one hand, I'm holding the P button in the other hand there, and the car is backing me up. I love that we've got a little countdown timer on the screen there as well, so it lets us know exactly what's going on and how long each process is going to take. As you can see there, it's kind of moving us forward, using that forward sensing system there as well, so pretty straightforward there. And it's literally, I love this. Like, look at this. Taking the wheel over, it is literally doing all the work for us, and we're just hanging out. It's kind of nice. Back it goes, and 3, 2, and it should be just about done. Oh, fixing the spot. Oh, yeah, okay, all right, I see what it was doing. It was a little tight there. I get it, all right. It's so neat. It's so neat that it's got this option. 3, 2, and let's, perfect. I think you got it. I think you got it, car. There we go. And there we go. It's finished, and it's going to let us know when it's finished there as well. And it really is that simple using this system inside the vehicle. Using parallel park is also equally as simple inside of this thing. So all we're going to do is press the little P button along the bottom there. We can navigate to parking, or we can use the active park assist. Parallel park button is on the very bottom left-hand side of the screen there, and it's always going to default to the right-hand side. So we can search left, we can search right, etc., and we're just going to follow the directions on screen. So we're going to start driving forward there. Found a spot. Perfect. So it wants us to release the steering wheel. We're going to shift into neutral. And from there, it wants us to take our foot off the brake. So we're going to do that. And it wants us to press and hold the little P button. So same idea. We're going to press and hold. And the vehicle is going to start doing its thing. So it's backing up. So nice. So nice. Look at this. Look at this. So good. This is so cool. I love it. Love it. And should be pulling us forward a teeny little bit. Yeah, we can still kind of see that countdown timer going. It's getting ready, getting us prepped. And there it is. And we are finished. So it really is that simple using the parallel park and the perpendicular park inside of this vehicle. Next up, we're going to do the parallel park out. So it's also very straightforward to use that as well. We're just going to hit the little park button there. Once we do, active park assist, and by default there, just because of how we're parked, it's going to give us the option for the parallel park out. We can look off to the right or the left hand side. I want to go off to the left hand side in this example, so all we're going to do is we're going to shift into neutral, and it wants us to take the foot off the brake, and same as always, we're just going to hit this P button. And what this is going to do is back us up in order to make sure that we've got an ideal position in order to be able to get out of the spot that we've pulled into for parallel parking. So 3, 2, and as you can see there, it's kind of counting down there, it's backing me up a little bit. It's taking over the wheel, turning it out a bit, just so that it gives me enough option and enough space to be able to get out of the spot. And it literally is that simple using the full park assist system inside of the Aviator. Right now, we do have the option of using the key fob in order to be able to roll the windows up and down. So it's actually pretty straightforward to be able to do it. So in order to get it done, in order to roll them down, we're going to press the unlock button twice. On the second button press, you're going to hold it. And then in order to lock them, same idea. We're going to press the lock button twice. On that second button press, you're going to hold. So to unlock, we're going to 1, 2, and hold. So as you can see there, down they go. We can press the lock button part way in order to stop it. And then same idea, we can press the unlock button again twice in order to resume that window down. So you can see there, down they go. And then in order to roll them up, same idea, like I said, we're going to press that lock button twice. And then on the second button press, we're going to hold it. So we're going to go 1, 2, and hold. And as you can see there, up they go. And same idea, we can press and hold and stop it partway through if we wanted to, and then just button press again, so 1, 2, in order to get them all up again. I love the fact that we've got global window open, up and down on this thing. So nice. But if you run into any problems, you have any questions, let me know. Drop down in the comment section. If you have an idea for a future video, share that with me as well. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing. And until I see you next time, take care.